Hey everyone, you are at Usitility, gamers' favorite channel. In this particular video, you are going to discover a super easy method to enjoy your best One Punch Man Road to Hero 2.0 game on a big screen, for example, a computer system. Everybody knows this is an Android OS game, and we're going to understand how to set it up on the computer. Keep watching the video tutorial so that you'll not skip even a single step. So, let's begin. Firstly, open any browser such as Google Chrome, and you have to go to the URL given in the video description. You'll find this website link. You'll be directed to this web page of BlueStacks One Punch Man Road to Hero 2.0. Through BlueStacks, we will install and play the game on a large screen. If you wish to have fun with games on the computer system, then BlueStacks is helpful, and it runs like an emulator. Click on Download One Punch Man Road to Hero 2.0 for PC, and this game will be installed on your PC. The download is complete, right here in the file. We go to the data that has been downloaded. In Windows 10, it'll have asked us for agreement. We respond with yes and accept. Now I minimize the browser so that I can only concentrate on the installer. If you'd like to customize the directory, then you can only push Customize the installation. The next thing is to select the location in which you would like to install it. For now, we aren't much interested in changing the directory, however, we are going to press the Install Now button. This file is rather small and will be saved within little time. The download of the game will depend on the internet speed. The emulator will be installed on your PC then. Now the installation process is completed. Persistence should be used the first time only, since the system will make a few essential configurations for BlueStacks. Keep your eyes stick to the video for the reason that we're going to explain a vital step now. Here is an option for Google Play. Sign in, you should go here. Log in to Google Play by giving your email and password. You cannot still install this game without sign-in because it is a Google Play game. See, we've entered our Google account. To carry on installation, we accept the terms by clicking I agree. It tells us that if we want to make a backup of the device in the cloud, we select No, you do what you want. It will display the same setup as of cellular phone or even tablet, and if you make a backup, it'll save all the data for the future. We accept it, and will immediately go to Google Play. Just click this specific arrow to exit the emulator and to go to the computer's desktop. Observe that the two icons are now being displayed here that are BlueStacks as well as BlueStacks Multi-Instance. Click on BlueStacks to start the BlueStacks software. Now I will go to the installation of One Punch Man Road to Hero 2.0. To do this, I will open up Google Play in BlueStacks. We are not thinking about buying anything. Hence we can choose the Skip button. Installing the One Punch Man Road to Hero 2.0 starts, it downloads the game. A speedier internet connection is recommended to complete downloading quickly. I will be back after this process to save time. After installing the game, the icon of One Punch Man Road to Hero 2.0 has been developed on the computer's desktop so we can directly begin the game. Every time whenever you would like to play the game, double-click One Punch Man Road to Hero 2.0 icon on your computer's desktop. I will explain another way to begin the game via BlueStacks. Look, we'll start One Punch Man Road to Hero 2.0 by hitting this particular icon. You can also make adjustments in the keyboard settings from here. Anyway, keyboard settings already appear perfect. Therefore, we will undoubtedly close it. You would, of course, enjoy playing One Punch Man Road to Hero 2.0 even on a large screen. If so, you'll get big screen in two ways. You can quickly expand the emulator, and then the screen will broaden. This particular option is only appropriate for those who want to get the big screen, however, not 100% full screen. Click F11 to have 100% full screen and then touch precisely the same key to go to normal mode. No activity in your desktop will disturb you while playing this game in full screen mode. For those who have a powerful laptop, it will better assist gaming in an emulator. Want to find out how you can change the game language? Let's realize it. You go on Preferences here. This drop-down menu will exhibit different languages, out of which you can choose almost any language. And that is changed. Hence this is the way we have installed One Punch Man Road to Hero 2.0 in laptop or computer. Remember to like this tutorial and leave a comment, if any, we will be happy to answer. Thanks to you for watching this video, and see you in the next videos. Bye.